घर बैठे अब आप भी बन सकते हैं रिपोर्टर। क्या आपके घर के आसपास राजनीति माहौल है या फिर कोई प्रदर्शन कर रहा है या आप खुद कोई लड़ाई लड़ने के सपने देख रहे हैं? अगर आप एंड्रॉयड या स्मार्टफोन यूज़ करते हैं तो अपने इलाके की खबर हम तक पहुंचाएं 9002135555 पे और बन जाए न्यूज़ 24 इंडिया के रिपोर्टर। ओवर द LAC road, the US is closely monitoring the border situation between India and China. The statement clear by a senior Trump administration official also said that they did not want the situation to be accelerate as the government are covering the situation in Himalaya closely. The official further added that ahead of next week's 2+2 India-US ministerial in New Delhi, the Trump administration was providing support to India through defense sales, joint military exercise and information sharing. PM Modi inaugurates 3 major projects in Gujarat that focus on farmers' welfare, healthcare and tourism development. He inaugurates this project through video conference from New Delhi on Saturday. Modi launched Kisan Suryodaya Yojana that aimed to provide daytime electricity to the farmers in the state for irrigation and farming purpose. On the other side, he also inaugurated Pediatric Health Hospital at the UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology and Research Center in Ahmedabad at the investment of 470 crore by the State Health and Family Welfare Department. Apart from this, he also launched 2.3 km long ropeway project on Mount Ginnar near Jagannath City, a major pilgrim site. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will be on the way to Darjeeling from the national capital on a 2-day visit to the West Bengal and Sikkim, during which he will visiting forward areas and interacting with the troops. With the help of social media platform, he tweeted, "Heading to the Darjeeling on 2-day visit to West Bengal and Sikkim. I shall visit the forward areas and also interact with the troops." A road constructed by the Border Roads Organization in the Sikkim will also be inaugurated during the visit. The Defense Minister is also likely to do Shastra Puja at one of the local units deployed in Sikkim near the China border, as per the Hindu tradition in which the arms are worshipped annually in the Shira by warriors. In Rajasthan, Jodhpur, police have arrested 2 men for allegedly abducting and attempting to rape 7-year-old girl. Police informed the accused has been identified as Jeetaram Meghwal and Hiraram Meghwal. The incident took place when the accused abducted a girl when she was playing outside her home with her friends on Tuesday evening, and Jeetaram took the girl to his home. The children immediately informed the girl's family members, who along with other village rushed to accused house. They heard the girl cries and broke out open the door. Seeing the villagers, the 2 accused persons fled away and later arrested on. A major relief given to the farmers after a Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao announced that maize stock will be purchased by the government at minimum support price of 800 per quintal. Maize will be purchased by the TS Marketing Federation through purchase centers established in villages for paddy procurement. The Chief Minister was reviewing the estimate crop yields during the Kharif season with senior officers. However, Rao pointed out the government was not responsible for purchasing maize as the farmers were against its advice, but keeping in view their plight, the government was ready to bear the losses.